Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This is Popeye. He is so ready to chase a drone, and we are the RC Sailors. We're going to show you guys a fun little drone that I'm actually very excited to share with you because this is something that a lot of people have been asking for, and I think we may have finally got a great version of this, and I'll tell you what I'm talking about, so let's take a closer look here. This itself is the drone, and you'll notice that it looks an awful lot like the Ishini 010, the Fury BF36, those style of little drones. It's got those ducted fan prop guards with four-bladed props. I really like that. The motors are about the same size. We have a little LiPo battery on the bottom that's a common connection type, although it is kind of a tight fit. That'll come out of there, but it's really snug in there, so I'm struggling with that. I actually charged it in the drone. But the neat thing about this, the reason I'm excited to share this with you guys is because this has altitude hold, and it's, I think, an answer to a lot of people's problems when they buy, here's just like an Ishii little kind of guy. It looks a lot like it. But the issue with this for newer pilots is throttle management. And I do think everyone should learn throttle management, but eventually, you know, but at first, maybe if you're a beginner pilot, use that altitude hold to get used to orientation and then learn throttle management. Some people might need to do kind of the opposite way. So anyway, I think this is going to be perfect for Abby because a lot of times you kind of struggle on micro drones with...
You'd think by now I would have it, but nope.
It's okay. The thing is, she can fly race drones in acro mode, but she kind of struggles on these little guys. So this is perfect for Abby.
The one thing I like about this setup is that the transmitter is bigger than all these other little ones. It's actually going to fit in your hands, and you have the option to either have these thumb sticks on the end or these little pincher sticks that come with it too, with your spare props.
It comes with an included USB charge cable. It has 4 spare props, and the instructions do a pretty good job, but they're pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
And I'm just excited because I think that a lot of people are going to find this very appealing. It's under $20. It's not quite as cheap as the Fury BF36 style little quads,
but it has altitude hold.
And you know, as I think I said it, but there is a version with a camera.
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well,
you can see it on the box.
if you want to do Wi-Fi FPV.
Yeah.
But this one has no camera or anything. It's just for fun, fun flying. So Abby's going to do this one. I think it's right up your alley.
Oh boy.
And well,
I did not know that.
Yeah, see how you do.
Okay. Popeye, are you ready? He's gonna bark, so just give him a second. You go down and out on both sticks to start the motors, and they're really, really quiet, just idling here. Popeye's gonna bark, we're gonna turn it down, and then we'll come back. All right, Popeye, are you good?
Maybe.
It's maintaining the altitude that I set it at really well. I mean,
I like that.
It's not going up or down at all. It is going to the left some.
You can trim that.
Now it's going back, trying to trim it up a little bit for you guys. I'm not great at trimming.
That's all right.
But overall, I mean.
She set the controller down.
Look at
That was loud.
Sorry,
You're
turn
so
me
loud.
down.
I will, yeah. Okay, so just so you guys know, what she just did was really loud, but I saved your ears and I turned her down in the editing.
So
look at you go, wow.
It autos in the lowest speed setting. So we click this top left button. We got 2 beeps.
Okay, faster. Look at you go.
The altitude hold on this is amazing. Like, when there's good altitude hold on these indoor quads, I can fly them no problem. Even with my shark dog down there, I can fly no problem. He really is like a love.
He's so infatuated. Look at him go. Oh, he's so happy. He's so happy. I'm gonna get that drone. I'm gonna get that drone. All I gotta do is wait for Abby to lose altitude, and I'll get her. I'll grab it. I'll grab it. But guess what, Popeye? She's not going to on this one. Altitude hold.
So there's 3 beeps.
Try yaw. Oh my gosh, that's fast. You can cyclone.
Yeah, you can.
Wow, that's quick. Snappy. Very snappy. Okay.
So here's rate 1.
Oh, I'm jealous. I want to fly this now.
Rate 2. Rate 30.
Look at you go. Abby, You haven't crashed this one.
It's crazy. Abby not crashing. Look, Popeye even just lost interest in this drone because
he knows
it's not going to go down, and he's back now. But he really just walked away. Yeah. He's never done that ever before. So there is a flip function. It's this top right. You just press it. Direction.
Oh, okay. I thought it was going to lose more altitude.
Gained a lot of altitude before it flipped, and then it flipped.
Do that again.
It just held steady, didn't it?
Yeah, do it again because
It gains a lot of altitude, then comes back pretty much where I left it at.
Yeah, that's cool.
There's a left flip,
look at that.
a back flip, a front flip. Watch me go! Hand around the head.
Nice.
And it's supposed to have a return to home.
Try it. Might as well. Oh no! Nope. Oh, there's your crash. There's your crash.
No!
Yeah. We just realized when it crashed, the battery came unplugged on the drone, and that's why it was beeping like crazy.
Yeah. So this is the perfect beginner indoor drone to start your collection, because I guarantee you, you're gonna buy this and you're gonna fall in love and you're gonna just keep buying them, because that's how this hobby works. But if you're anything like me, you've been trying to fly these little guys inside for years and you suck at it, because I do, and we all know it, this is what you want to buy.
I think it's great.
I've had altitude hold quads, a lot of them that are pretty good, some of them not so good. This one's spectacular.
That's good.
For beginners, because I know you're going to be watching this, because we're probably going to title this like Best Beginner Indoor Drone, knowing us. So you're going to take both sticks and push them both all the way down and then out in both corners.
The corners.
Starts the motors. Then you're just going to give it some throttle on your left stick. Alright, buddy, that's enough. And you can really just take it.
She's set the transmitter down.
It's just drifting ever so slightly.
That's pretty good though.
So I mean, this is going to be great. There we go. Just to learn orientation. This is my kind of quadcopter. Yeah. I'm not even joking. I want to set that a little closer because it is kind of drifting a little bit. But I mean, that's amazing. Yeah. Let me just take a nap while I fly this quadcopter.
You're doing good.
If you want to impress your family and friends, this is what you need to do. Give them a drone without altitude hold.
Yeah.
And see if they can fly it. They'll be like, I don't know what's wrong with you guys, and put this one in the air and go like this and have a good old time laughing.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
I mean, I think what you need to do is what we suggested doing when we found the Fury D F36s and the Eastsheen E010 is when you buy this, buy a few because it's so cheap. Buy like 2 or 3 of these and you'll have your main one. And then once something breaks on this, because it is a quadcopter, it's an RC, RC's break, that's the hobby. You'll have those other 2 and you can start flying your new one and then use your broken one for spare props.
That's a good idea.
Parts, not props.
And props.
And props. So buy 2 or 3 of these and you can keep flying. That way, when this breaks and you go to order another one or you go to order spare parts, you can instantly get back up in the air and then you have the parts just waiting on you. So you'll be able to fly one of these for a long, long time.
Speaking of which, flying for a long, long time. How's that? Okay. All right.
There you go.
I was going to say that has been in the air for a while.
That was very convenient, Nathan. Are you a magician?
Magician? No.
Magician?
No.
Psychic?
That is amazing. You can fly inside.
That's awesome. This one just makes me happy. This is what all indoor drones need to be.
Well,
I can fly things inside without altitude hold, but this I can fly the F36 pretty much just fine. I'll crash during it, but like this one, if I wouldn't have done that return to home, I would have flown the entire time for you. And I mean, the battery is spectacular. And here's the last really cool thing about this. This battery is super common. The size, the connector, as Nathan said, it's a little tight of a fit in there.
It's snug.
I don't know why ours, there, here we go. You can buy like 6 of these for extremely cheap.
Yeah,
I'm not
like
gonna quote a price.
under $10 or something.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So we must be on something. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So we must be on something. At least under $15 you can get like 6 of these batteries. So that's mind blowing.
I think that's awesome.
If you don't buy this, you're gonna wish you would have.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys so much for watching. This will be linked down in the description box below so you can go check it out. And we will see you in the next video. Bye!